are, another day down at the Monkey Bars, and the whole walk, I'm thinking, the whole 35 minutes, thinking the walk is enough, really. But now that I'm down here, I'll figure out something to do. Don't always have to do pull-ups. They got a bunch of machines down here. But regardless, and as promised, I will fill you in on the flip. We are whipped, gang. Me and the bod. Man, everything feels 5 times heavier with these ankle weights on. Not just 5 pounds heavier. So we did a better variety of pull-ups this time than when we were here last time, and got a few demos. I'm working on these chin-ups. This way is pull-ups, this way is chin-ups. That's my dictionary. It's the way I learned. But yeah, man, need more strength, more muscle, more endurance, less fat. So I don't have any philosophical closing words, man. Just a thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next workout.